ATSDR's National Land Reuse Health Program. Discover land reuse resources to improve your community's health.
The video title is on the screen. The agency's logo is below the text.
Want to improve the health of your community? Land reuse and redevelopment could be the key.
An image of an old factory is on the screen.
Land reuse sites include brownfields or old or vacant commercial, industrial, or residential properties. Chemicals used at the site, like lead-based paint or solvents, may have contaminated the water, soil, or air.
Text reads, Land reuse sites. A yellow splotch representing chemicals seeps into the ground beneath the factory.
A few examples include abandoned factories or houses, vacant lots, old gas stations, polluted waterfronts.
The view zooms out to show an empty lot, an old gas station, and a polluted river near the factory.
Because harmful chemicals may be in the water, soil, or air, people who live near these sites may have a higher risk of developing health issues, including respiratory problems or chronic diseases.
Now, a yellow stick figure representing a community member is on the screen. The stick figure's lungs are highlighted. Small dots representing harmful substances are entering the lungs. Text reads, Health issues.
Communities near land reuse sites may also have lower quality housing.
Now we see a street with residential buildings, a grocery store, and park. At the end of the street, we can see a factory smokestack.
And people who live in these communities may have limited access to healthy food, health care, or safe places for physical activity.
The grocery store on the street is replaced by an abandoned building. The park is replaced by a vacant lot.
Land reuse and redevelopment projects can make a big impact on overall community health and well-being.
Now, we see the factory, empty lot, old gas station, and polluted waterfront again. Text on the screen reads, Improve community well-being.
These sites can be redeveloped into healthy and safe spaces that the community can enjoy, like new buildings, parks, trails, and community gardens.
The factory is replaced by a new building and trees. The polluted waterfront is cleaned up, and there's a sidewalk and trees. The old gas station is replaced by a new doctor's office. The vacant lot becomes a community garden.
People from many backgrounds can play a role in redevelopment projects, including public and environmental health professionals, community planners and developers, people who work for community organizations, and community members.
Text reads, People who work on land reuse projects. 4 images appear around the text. A stethoscope next to the earth, a heart, a hard hat, and 3 stick figures holding hands. They represent the types of people who work on land reuse projects.
The Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry's National Land Reuse Health Program has resources to help people redevelop land reuse sites in their communities.
The agency's logo appears on the screen. Beneath the logo, text reads, National Land Reuse Health Program.
ATSDR's Land Reuse Program provides free tools and training to help professionals and community members learn about land reuse and redevelopment.
Text reads, Free land reuse tools and training. A toolbox appears below the text.
ATSDR's Environmental Health and Land Reuse EHLR Certificate Training is a free course created in collaboration with the National Environmental Health Association. It helps people understand the redevelopment process and build skills to incorporate community health throughout the process.
Text reads, Environmental Health and Land Reuse, or EHLR, Certificate Training. atsdr.cdc.gov/sites/brownfields/classroom_training.html. The toolbox opens. To the left of the toolbox, a certificate appears.
The EHLR certificate training is available in a variety of formats and includes a series of 5 modules. 1. Engaging with your community. 2. Evaluating environmental and health risks. 3. Communicating environmental and health risks. 4. Redesigning with health in mind. 5. Measuring success. The EHLR training increases capacity of communities and professionals to collaborate on health-focused land reuse.
5 arrows form a circle. Each arrow has the name of one of the 5 training modules.
ATSDR's Brownfields Land Reuse Action Model encourages community-led redevelopment to benefit community health. Check out the Action Model Toolkit to learn how to use the model in your community. Your community will learn how to build a team, fund redevelopment projects, and work toward long-lasting change to improve your community.
Text reads, Action Model. atsdr.cdc.gov/sites/brownfields/model.html. The open toolbox and the certificate are back on the screen, below the text. A blueprint appears near the toolbox and certificate.
Your community can also explore free land reuse toolkits tailored to meet the needs of community champions and planners, developers, health professionals, and more.
The text reads, Land Reuse Toolkits, atsdr.cdc.gov/sites/brownfields/land_reuse_toolkits.html. A hard hat, megaphone, and stethoscope join the other images on the screen.
Finally, the Land Reuse Program has a group of expert volunteers called the Brownfields and Reuse Opportunity Working Group, or BROWN. Brown's land reuse experts can help communities solve land reuse problems.
A light bulb appears next to the other images. Text reads, Brownfields and Reuse Opportunity Working Group, or BROWN.
For example, BROWN can help communities find and understand information about local land reuse sites and related health risks, develop tailored strategies to improve community health, build sustainable partnerships to support long-term community health improvement through land reuse, find out about funding opportunities, and measure positive changes in community health and well-being.
Now, a series of images appear on the screen. A bar graph, a booklet, a handshake, a dollar bill, and a heart. These represent the ways Brown can help communities.
To learn more about the Land Reuse Program and find helpful resources, go to atsdr.cdc.gov/sites/brownfields. Together, we can build healthier communities where everyone has the chance to thrive.
A computer screen shows the atsdr Land Reuse Health Program website, with the website's URL shown below the computer. The agency's logo is at the bottom of the screen.